How to cancel your Hulu subscription. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to guide you through the steps on how you can cancel your Hulu account subscription. So make sure to stick with me till the end. Now remember that whether you're using iOS or whether you're using your Android device, the process to cancel the Hulu subscription, on both of those devices are typically a bit different. That is why for the global usage, I'm actually going to show this from my browser. So you have to go to hulu.com and make sure that you log into your account, and once you log into the account that you would like to cancel the subscription to, again you will be able to find the profile icon from the top right, which I'm going to blur out just in case. And as you do that, you'll find an option known as account, so make sure to tap on the account option, as you would be able to find here as well. As you do that, you can just scroll to the bottom of the screen on the next page, and then you should be able to find this little option here known as cancel. So make sure to tap on the cancel option here. As you tap the cancel option, it will ask you for a confirmation, so go ahead and confirm the changes and your Hulu subscription will get successfully cancelled. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.